India has conducted a successful flight test of the new Generation AKASH missile from the Integrated Test Range Chandipur, the coast of Odisha. The flight test was conducted against a high-speed unmanned aerial target at a very low altitude. During the flight test, the target was successfully intercepted by the weapon system and destroyed. The U.S. military and its allies conducted major retaliatory strikes in Yemen, hitting multiple Houthi targets after several months of drone and missile attacks. US and UK conducted strikes that were launched from aircraft, ships and submarine, destroying multiple targets in Houthi-controlled areas of Yemen with support from Australia, Bahrain, Canada and Netherlands. German defense company Rheinmetall has announced that its new Skyranger 30 air defense system has successfully reached a pivotal milestone for series production. Skyranger 30 is the 30mm X173 KCE revolver cannon renowned for its immense firepower and precision, demonstrated even under adverse weather conditions. South Korea achieved a successful test launch of a modified version of its indigenous Korean tactical surface-to-surface missile KTSSMI. The KTSSM is a ballistic guided weapon system with a range exceeding 120 kilometers, with ability to reach and neutralize hidden subterranean targets. Russian defense industry publicly showcased a 1,500-kilogram aviation bomb equipped with unified gliding and correction module, transforming it into a guided and intelligent weapon with a range of up to 70 kilometers and carrying 675 kilograms of explosive material.